Hi, I'm Richard from ITS TV, and this is the great little Makita DTD155 Special Black Edition Impact Driver. It's a great little machine. It's a brushless motor, so really using the latest technology when it comes to cordless tools. It's lightweight, easy to use, really easy on the wrist, and as you can see, it looks fantastic. So first and foremost, it is part of the Makita standard LXT 18 volt lithium ion range, which means in terms of batteries, it's compatible with every single 18 volt lithium ion battery from 1.5 amp hour all the way up to 6 amp hour, and if Makita introduced even higher amp hour batteries, it's going to be compatible with them as well. So over to the impact driver itself. Obviously an impact driver absolutely perfect for screw driving, takes all the pressure off your wrist, puts it all into the internal mechanism that generates loads and loads and loads of torque. So really, if you're screw driving all throughout the day, then you have to invest in impact driver because it makes it so much easier. To the point where the standard combi drill these days will look at delivering somewhere in the region of 40 to 60 Newton meters of torque, which is the tightening pressure. An impact driver this size, this weight, this will offer you 140 Newton meters of torque. So that's the difference. It's really easy to use, nice and lightweight, soft rubberized grip all the way around, forward and reverse trigger with a lock-off position, so you don't accidentally leave your trigger on. We've got an LED job light which will engage when you pull the trigger, and we've got a very standard 1/4 inch Hex Shank in there for all your standard screwdriver or impact driver bits. One of the special things about this particular model as well, and some of the new ones from Makita, is we've actually got a high or low torque selector here at the bottom, which lets you actually set a more delicate torque setting depending on what it is you're driving into. So make sure you check that out and make sure you get it on the right setting for your job. As I said before, brushless motor in there, so it's got far better runtime, more efficiency. You're going to get more out of your batteries in terms of power, so your torque settings are going to be slightly higher on this model compared to non-brushless models. Also, that battery is going to last longer, so your runtime is better. And because there's no sort of wearing away, heating up parts in there, there's no brushes, we're getting most of it out of our battery, and there's no wasted energy, and the motor is going to look far better after a few years of use. So it's a brilliant little machine that's got this fantastic black special edition finish, so it looks completely different from all the other Makita tools out there, or any of your colleagues. You know exactly what one's going to be yours. It's a really nice little machine. It's the DTD155 18 volt brushless impact driver from Makita, now available at ITS.